I recently made this outdoor shower and bathroom area right next to our bus, but it could do with some landscaping. We keep walking backwards and forwards through here. It's worn away all the grass. Doesn't look particularly good. So I think some gravel going through here would just improve the sort of look of the area. It's also got quite a bit of a slope on it too, so if I can correct that, that will make this into a much nicer pathway. After raking the ground to get it roughly level, I realised I needed a bit more earth. So I used some of the soil that I had lying around from when I planted the trees, and I'm just dumping it down here in order to get the path flatter. I just went up to the landscape supply place up the road to check out some gravel for the pathway, and I was looking at these pavers, and the woman said, "Oh, there's, if you want a few for free, there's a whole pallet load that have been dropped." So I was pretty pleased with that. So I got these ones. You can see they've got cracks here and there, but it's free. I was like, this is awesome. So I got 8. I mean, what I'll do is I'll put them on the pathway and in the shower and see how they look, and if I need more, I might even pop up and grab a couple more because they're free. So I'm going to use these are just treated 4x1s to go around the edges here, partly to hold the shingle in place, but also to hold the soil, because this is actually sloping down a bit here. So this wall, I only need, like, say, that much of the shingle, and then the rest of it can be used to kind of hold back the soil along here, and then the path will be somewhat level. I'm not going to get it perfect. I'm not going to obsess about this one. This is a rough, quick job. So as long as the path is roughly level, that's all I'm worried about. I'm tired out and slightly frustrated. I've been doing that all day, sun's setting now, and I feel like I haven't really achieved that much. I mean, partly because I don't exactly know what I'm doing, and I'm just kind of figuring it out, but that's okay. But driving in those spikes into the ground is really difficult because the ground's clay, it's rock solid, and the closer I get to the tree, the more likely I am to hit a tree root. So the whole thing is just taking forever. I don't know, maybe it's just normal and it's one of those jobs that just takes a bit of a while and I'm very impatient, I don't know. But yeah, I'm tired and I've had enough of that for one day. It's a beautiful evening anyway, so I shouldn't complain. After a good night's sleep, I woke up with a renewed vigour to get this job done. after picking up those free paving slabs the other day, I went back pretty much immediately and got a load more of them. So that means I've got quite a few that could go from here and into the bus. I've been saving the ones that are not cracked back, and I've got enough to make a little shower area with them. So I'm going to put them in and see how they look. So this is working pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with this. These are not, strictly speaking, necessary. I'd be just as happy with the gravel, but might as well put them down since I've got them. The rest of the pathway, I need to sort something out for that. I'm thinking maybe just get some bits of rebar and knock those into the ground. They might even have some at the dump. I spent the other day knocking in these wooden spikes. God, it was a nightmare. I mean, you're trying to drive that thing into the ground, and the ground, we haven't had rain for a while, so the ground's like rock solid. So yeah, that was becoming a little bit annoying, to be honest. But anyway, I thought the solution to this, I thought I'll go around the hardware store and see if I can get some rebar, chop it up and put that in. And then I found these, which I've not seen before. They're called sleeper stakes. My God, these are easy. It's like knocking in a tent peg. You just bang them in, and then you can screw through into the board. So easy. So then I've just framed up this little section here, and now I'm ready to put down some weed matting and then put some gravel on top. I had to play around with these stones last night. I enjoyed it. It was like playing a giant jigsaw puzzle. I've got them into the sort of order that I like. Pretty much all of them are broken, but rather than trying to stick them back together again, which I guess I could do, but I think they would just break in the same place. And anyway, they wouldn't look that great. So I thought I'd try and make a bit of a feature of it and just use each one with the break in the middle, put stones in the break, and see how it looks. That's it, the pathway to the bathroom is now complete. No more muddy feet. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next week.